In this video tutorial, we will look at how to get help in CES EduPack and how to access the Getting Started guide available in several languages, as well as the video tutorials. Let's open the software and choose Level 2, where we'll be presented with the homepage. On the top bar of the homepage, we can find the First Steps button. This will help us get up to speed quickly with the basics. On the right, under More Information, there are links to online help, video tutorials, and the Education Hub. We can also find help in the main toolbar. As well as access to online help, we have a direct link to the video tutorials, the Education Hub with hundreds of teaching and learning resources, other online communities, and product information about CES EduPack. Let's go ahead and click on Help. Make sure you have an internet connection. This opens the Help webpage. We can see a search field as well as an index and bookmarks. Below are tiles which correspond to the different sections covered in this webpage. For example, we can find information about the functions Browse and Search, Chart and Selection Stages, or Tools. Let's first explore Getting Started. Here we have access to Getting Started guides in different languages, a link to the video tutorials, quick start exercises, and a toolbar guide. Let's look at the toolbar guide. Here we can find more information on the main toolbar and the chart stage toolbar in the software. We can click on any symbol in the toolbar to get more information and navigate through the online help. For example, if we want to know more about the Eco-Audit tool, we can click on it. This will bring us to another page about the Eco-Audit tool. There are sections on how to create, compare, save and open an Eco-Audit project, and how to export or save a report. If we click on About the Eco-Audit tool, we can see a document with the different stages in the tool. For example, material manufacture and end of life. This same page can also be accessed from the software itself by clicking on the small question mark within the Eco-Audit tool. Apart from the online help, we can find more support within the software itself or during our exploration and use of the CES EduPack. In the following video tutorials, we will look at the advanced databases and tools available in CES EduPack.